Okay, guys, we're on day 3. Some of you don't know, some of you do, that I'm doing the carnivore diet, and that's meat, egg, and cheese. No processed crap, and nothing to report today. I feel good, but so I'm going to move my updates to once a week because I can't do this to you. I'm already tired of doing this, and it's only on day 3. So every Monday, I'll give you all my numbers. Every day, I'll post it on social media. But basically, on Monday, I'll report my weight. I'll talk to you. I'll give you a video every Monday. All right? But everything's good so far. I feel great. The dogs are good. Life's good. You guys have a good morning. And I'll talk to you on Monday.